Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to fix your date and time is missing in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for control panel. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match should appear here in this window, and once it's here, please navigate on the option called and aligning to it. So from here, you would be able to see a window like this. And if your view or the window doesn't look like this, simply proceed with the upper right side of that. You can see their view by. Please set it into large icons. Once you're good, please locate for the date and time. So I can see it here being placed at the fifth row. So click on it to proceed. So you would be able to bring up this window called date and time where here you can see different options where here you need to locate for this option called change date and time. The moment you click on it, this date and time settings would show up or here at the bottom left side of that you can see there change calendar settings. Click on it once again and this would show up the region window where here you need to navigate at the bottom of that called additional settings. So here at the additional settings, it is being composed of four options which are numbers, currency, time, and date. And since our time and date is missing in our taskbar, then we need to locate for time. And from here, you need to proceed with short time. Click this down arrow and select HMMTT. Again, select HMMTT. Once you're done, click on apply. And in that way, you have just successfully show up the time here at our Windows taskbar. However, our date is still missing. So please proceed with the fourth option called date. Click on it. Go with the short date. Click this down arrow and select on this one, which is DDMMYY. Click on apply and then OK. Once you're good, apply and then OK. Click on OK once again and OK for the last time and close this window. So that's it. You have just successfully fixed your date and time which is missing earlier in this video. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on fixing your problem, which is your date and time is missing in your Windows 11 taskbar. So thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.